Crop circles. Crop circles are regular patterns that are often seen in agricultural areas, and their formation has not been fully explained. These unusual circles often occur in areas close to ancient monuments. Many crop circles have been discovered, especially near the Stonehenge ancient monument in England. Crop circles have also occasionally been seen near the very mysterious Merriman Geoglyph in Australia. Unusual circles ranging in size from 10 to 200 meters are found near Mount Kailash in Tibet. Crop circles have also occasionally been discovered around the 4,500-year-old Callanish stones in Scotland. A magnificent crop circle was discovered near the ancient city of Teotihuacan in Mexico. As another example, crop circles have also been reported in the Amazon rainforest of Brazil. It is realized that crop circles are based entirely on the principles of sacred geometry. Considering how difficult it is to draw even the simplest geometric shapes by hand, without using rulers and compasses, it is understood that only a life with a very high level of intelligence could create the complexity and mystery in crop circles, especially these details that can only be seen from the air. When the last crop circle formation near the Wiltshire Farm in England, where the densest crop circles in the world are observed, it is seen that the pattern is around 50 meters across and has the most effective geometric shapes and forms that can be seen in nature as organic crystals and a human gene map. Observers tell of their most interesting flight experiences. While flying over an area with a photographer, they say that when they return on the same route, just 1 minute later, they notice a crop circle that has never been seen before. A very complex and brand new crop circle that was not there 1 minute ago. When this information is compiled, it brings to the agenda the issue that these complex and perfect geometric shapes could only be made by a very superior intelligence. As a result, there is no longer any doubt that these ingenious phenomena found in nature were not created by the human race with compasses and sticks. Then, who processes crop circles in the fields, which have been increasing in number since the 1970s and have increased in size and complexity in the 2000s, often forming overnight, and some of which contain complex mathematical and scientific features. People who walk inside crop circles have reported feeling different sensations while inside the circles or after leaving them. These people say they experience extreme dizziness and nausea while inside the circles. There are people who claim to feel healing powers while inside the crop circles. The mysterious circles affect not only people but also animals. Cattle on nearby farms begin to become irritable and act nervous hours before the circles appear. The circles also cause electronic devices around them to malfunction. It is said that the electronic equipment in airplanes flying over the circles occasionally malfunctions. The circles affect the entire area where they appear. The magnetic structure and energy emitted by the crops in and around a circle change, and the chromosomes of the crops undergo serious transformations. Compasses do not work in the region due to the magnetic field changes. On the morning of the night the circles appear, car batteries fail, Geiger counters detect very high levels of radiation in the region, and voltmeters detect high levels of energy formation. This energy remains in the region for a very long time. Even after the crops are harvested and new seeds are planted, the scientific consensus on crop circles is that they are man-made by humans for deception, advertising, or artistic purposes. Another claim suggests that crop circles may be the result of extraordinary meteorological events, such as major hurricanes and lightning. But no evidence has been found that these natural events have created any crop circles. Another theory claims that the source of these strange geometric shapes is extraterrestrial. We have decided that these things cannot be proven scientifically, says Thomas Jamaluddin, a professor of astronomy and astrophysics at the Indonesian National Aeronautics and Space Institute, Leipan. There are also video recordings of two fireballs rapidly approaching the field and forming shapes after making several maneuvers in the field. Who knows? Perhaps the idea that we as humans are not alone in the 50,000 years we have spent on Earth in this infinite universe of 13.8 billion years will come to an end when the mystery of the strange crop circle art is solved.